All right, finished up the Monster Fairings install, and this is kind of the design I'm going with. Overall, the finish is pretty good. There's a few things that are issues with it. You know, the gap down in here is not quite perfect, and the holes for some of the screws, like this one up in here, and there's another one down on the bottom of the fairings. They need to be enlarged. The front fender has grips in it for the ABS line. They aren't the same quality or the same, machining. So some care needs to be taken when you're installing that. The screws that go inside here, they're not, it's not threaded like the factory. So if you kind of see inside, it's an 8mm self-tapping machine screw. But overall, considering what it is, the fit and finish is actually really good. Took all the stickers, everything lined up, and that's what we're going with. That's the new look.